Ensure the wood floor is clean and dust-free, with any protruding screws or nails removed or hammered flush with the floor. Use a spirit level to ensure the substrate is flat and does not deviate more than 3 mm over a 1 metre area. Use Ultra Level 2 levelling compound to fix any deviations, or overboard the substrate with a suitable board such as Hardybacker or Weddy. Luxury vinyl must be left to acclimatise in the room it is being fitted for at least 48 hours at a temperature between 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. This includes the Sticker Bond F48 Plus adhesive if a stick-down installation is being used. Always read the manufacturer's instructions.